This is CostSplit, an app to share costs within a group of people online or offline. Groups are the center of the app. You create one for each group of people you want to share cost with. Let's start by adding a group. We have the choice to create a new or join an existing group online. Let's create a new one and call it London Vacation. You can choose your home currency, and all expenses will be shown in the home currency as well. You can also choose if you want to share the group so your friends can manage the group from their own devices and add expenses themselves. Nice. Let's go into the group. Here you can see all persons in the group and everyone's balance. You can easily add a new person by pressing the plus sign. The data in the app is red when it hasn't been synced to the server yet, but as soon as you sync, it will turn black. Don't worry about syncing manually if you don't want to. As soon as you exit the app, it will check if you have any data that needs to sync and do it in the background. Nice. Here you see all expenses and transfers registered in the group. Let's add a new one. There are two types you can choose from. Choose expense if you have bought anything, and a transfer if you just give money to someone, like a loan. We want to create a new expense. We enter what was bought, how much it cost, and choose currency if it is another one than the home currency. Add a new currency by pressing the plus sign and choose your currency that is ordered by country. We get the option to enter the currency rate or download an updated rate from internet. We can also choose to enter the reversed rate. Easy. Now we select the currency we just added. We can choose what date the expense was registered and the person who paid. Then we choose who we're paid for. Just tap each person and the expense will be evenly distributed. You can also press all or none if you want it to go quicker. You can also choose to distribute the cost by giving each person a weight. So if you write 2, that person will pay twice as much as the person with 1. And as a last option, you can choose the amount manually. Nice. As you can see, all foreign currencies will be shown in your home currency as well. At any time, you can edit data in the app by pressing edit. We can also delete groups, persons, expenses and currencies by swiping sideways on the row. Here the app suggests who should pay what to whom to get even. You can choose to round the amounts by pressing the plus and minus signs, and choose an amount you don't care about to minimize the number of paybacks. Nice. As a shortcut, you can press the suggested payback to create a transfer with amount, payer, receiver, and suggested description filled in for you. As you can see, it shows up in the expense list. Now we want to create a report to send to all persons involved. Press the export button and an email will be generated. Here we get a complete list of all expenses and transfers so that everyone can see that it looks correct. We get a summary of each person that shows their total costs and their current balance, and we can see the suggested paybacks of who should pay what to whom. Last we have the list of currencies and the rates used in the calculations. Nice. On the Currencies tab, we can see all currencies used, add a new one, or edit the currency rates. Let's take a look at the Overview tab. Here you can see a group summary and who should pay next. This is the person with the lowest balance in the group. As a shortcut, you can tap the person to create an expense with this person as the payer. And at the bottom is the most important, the sharing section. To make the cost sharing efficient, everyone in the group should add their own costs. You can share the group by giving your friends the sharing code. You can do this by using the message or email generators, or give them the code in some other way. Press the email generator and an email will be created for you ready to send. If your friends have CostSplit, they can just press the link and the app will start and join the group automatically. You can also copy the code by doing a long tap on the code. Nice. If you get a sharing code from your friend, you can just choose to join a group and write the code. Now you are ready to add your own expenses. And if you want to see a summary of yourself, just tap your name and you will see a summary and all expenses you are involved with. CostSplit, the smartest way to share costs. Nice.